Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. English Shorthand Dictation from Pitman Shorthand New Course Book. Exercise number 72. Start. Dear Sir, comma, I shall be much obliged if you will supply me with a few samples of extra strong inverted comma start super inverted comma close glazed paper comma such as would be suitable for my class of work. Full stop. The colors I most desire to see are dark blue and grey. Full stop. If the samples satisfy me, comma, and the prices and terms of sale are reasonable, comma, I believe I shall be able to deal extensively with you, full stop. I shall be pleased if you will also include in the parcel a sample or two of a stutter make of paper, full stop. I should like to receive these samples by Wednesday, comma, if possible, full stop. Yours truly, comma.